What is up, you guys? It's your girl Chanel.janai from around the way. Hey, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. A lot of people have been letting me know how much they love the recent pictures that I've posted on Instagram. So I wanted to just show you the footage of me that I do have of me putting this look together because a lot of people liked it. So one thing that I had to do was get rid of this part in my head. I did wear a side part most of the time that I had this hairstyle so far, so it's kind of pressed in there and molded. So right now I'm just getting rid of that so I can do a middle part eventually. This process of me fixing up my frontal is really the same as my last video, so feel free to go watch that one too. So I really like to use a regular curling iron for the style of curls that I'm going for. And what you do is pretty much start from the top first of the hair, spiral it around, let that get hot first, and then slowly inch down. I know that probably sounds a little confusing, but most people know how to use a curling iron already. But if you don't, it's better to watch than to hear the words of what I'm saying. This is the heat protector that I'm using for my hair. You do want to keep your weave just as safe as you would want to keep your natural hair so that it's not damaged. And that heat protector is by Fantasia. Again, I had that side part for a long time, like pretty much the whole month that I've had this style in my hair. So it's really hard to get that out right now. So that's why I'm taking the curling iron and just applying heat to it to lay that down. These are my curls, but I don't want them like this, so I'm going to do my baby hair and then makeup and give the curls time to drop, and I'm going to comb through them too. So y'all, this is what I use. I use the Sephora Pro eyeshadow palette. I thought I was recording the whole time, but I was not. So I did my whole makeup look and realized that I did not have the footage of me doing my eyes. I'm sorry. I will get it together at some point in my life. This is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Show me some love, show me some support. And also hit up my Instagram where you can see more pictures like this, and I'll give you details on who the photographer is, because he's really good if you're in the New York or New Jersey area. I'll put his information in the description box as well. Thank you guys, and see y'all next time.